Hi you guys, I wanted to come on here and show you the mystery box, Christmas mystery sloth box that I ordered from Sparkle Sloth Supplies. You can find her on Instagram. That's why I follow her on. And I think TikTok also. But this is my first box that I've ever ordered from her. And I tell you guys, it is awesome. So I want to come on here and show it to you all. And this is how it looks. Okay, that's the paper. First you have some water slides. And this is the Christmas box. Isn't these water slides gorgeous? Yes, I love them. So you have two of these water slides. It's gonna make great on tumblers. Then she put some candy and hot chocolate in there. And we have material so you can do your fabric on your tumbler. So we'll go through that last. Let me show you about the glitters and then we'll come back to the fabric. So you have some sparkles here, and these are some, you can put these I guess on your tumbler. They're a little fine. I'll bring it up close so you can see it. So you have that one. You get a lot in this box. And then you have this one, Smile and Wave. It's pretty. And then I have this here, Thick and Sprucey. It's a pretty green. And I think these are new chunky glitters, I think. Yeah, new glitter shapes. And this is the House of Monsters. No, You're a Monster. And Old Frappe. It's a pretty red. Bow Down. It's a pretty gold. Oh, they're falling off. Hold on, you guys. Let's see what else we have here. Then we have this, he's an angry elf. And Tipsy, which is it's a gold too, but it's a light kind of gold. I think this is really pretty. Not the gumdrop buttons. So this is like go good on the gingerbread, if you was doing a gingerbread cup. Excuse my nails, you guys. I haven't been able to get to the shop. And flip around so you can see it. This here is Major Meltdown, and it's a silver and a blue. And this here is Pine Fresh, and it's like a green and gold. I'll stick some of them up there. And this is our Frappe that. It's a very fine red and white. It's gonna be pretty on a tumbler. Then she also gives you a little keychain ornament you can make. Now, I think this is beautiful. Bougie AF. That's going to make a pretty tumbler with that pink and silver. Oh, I'm so ready for the holidays and football season. This is Cherry Bomb. And this is the fine Cherry Bomb in the chunky, mixed chunky, and Cherry Bomb in the chunky mix. And then we have Let It Snow. That's pretty blue. Get Lucky. It's another fine green. There's a lot of glitters in here, you guys. It's worth the money. And this is Holy Sloth, pretty silver. And this is like a white silver, and it's Everything's Fine. Miss Chunky. Then you get an ornament if you want to make an ornament. And these here are mixed powders. And this is in the Snowflake. Okay. You can add this in your epoxy. And then you have a green one. All right. So now, I'm going to put you on hold and we're going to go through the fabric. Okay, now here's the fabric. We have the Santa Claus, the Ho Ho Ho. And I think these are so cute, you guys. If I can pick it up and move it. And then you have Mickey and Santa, Snowman. These are gonna make some cute Christmas cups. And here goes the gingerbread girl. That gingerbread color glitter I showed you will go lovely with this. Perfect. And then here goes the Grinch on Christmas. That's gonna be pretty. And then the snow cones. And here goes Mickey and them again on Christmas with the toy soldier, well, with the chipmunks. And then here goes Mickey and them with the gingerbread man. And like they're the village. I can't wait to create with these. And the last one is the Disney Christmas. That's gorgeous. So you guys, that's all that came in this box. I know she do a box around every major holiday that's coming up. I don't know if she's gonna do one for Thanksgiving. She did a Halloween and the Christmas. So just go follow her on Instagram, and that way you'll be able to keep up with what she's doing. But very nice box. This is my first one. I'm so excited to get started making tumblers for the holidays. I will be doing more videos and everything so I can get back to my YouTube channel. And I thank you all for my new subscribers that I've gotten lately. Thank you so much. I'm trying so hard to get better at this, and I'm determined to get better at this. So we're gonna have a great time on the channel. I'm gonna come on here and show you guys what I know. We may make some mistakes as we make these tumblers and different things, but I promise you we're gonna have fun. So thanks you guys for watching. If you're not subscribed, please hit the subscribe button so you always know when I upload a new video. And until the next one, have a good one, you guys.